This is Bob Davis 321. I now have a 6 degree of freedom arm. Fortunately, I only have 5 controls going through an Arduino Uno with a sensor shield. So what I've done is the rotate and the bottom share the same control, and the next one up is that elbow, and the next one up is that one, and the next one is rotate, and the last one controls the hand, or the gripper, or whatever you want to call it. Rotate it so I can see it better. Keep turning the knobs and eventually it could control itself. Okay, almost down to controlling itself. Not that it could turn these knobs anyways. But there you have it, 6 degrees of freedom mechanical arm with a hand on the end. I tried running it off of batteries, but the lithium-ion batteries got really hot, so I switched to using a 6-volt power supply. That's all for now.